Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to reset YouTube feed on iPhone. First, open the YouTube app on your iPhone, Android, or computer. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to reset. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and go to Settings by tapping the gear icon at the top. Next, choose Manage All History. Here, tap on Controls. You'll see that YouTube saves your watch history to recommend videos. To reset everything, tap on Manage History. Then enter your password. Then select Delete and choose Delete All Time. This clears your entire watch history and resets your recommendations. And that's how you reset YouTube feed on iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.